good people. Hello, good people. Welcome to Tracy's Passionately Intrigued Arts. I have this silicone mold, which is a large sphere. It is, I believe, 4 inches, so I want to unmold it. Had a request for yellow flowers. So let's see what we got going on. Let's see what it looks like once we take it out of this mold. And it is difficult, I'm telling you. I should have put a little water. If you put a little water on there, it makes it a little easier to get out of this mold. Otherwise, you really got to stretch. Oh boy. Got to fight a little bit. But eventually, it's going to come out. You would think that you would tear this silicone, but it doesn't tear. It really stretches and it will go back into shape. You just got to fight a little bit, just a little bit. All my life I had to fight. No, I didn't. I'm just teasing. Just a little bit of my life. Whoa, okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at there. Oh, my goodness. I put gold flakes in there. Gold leaf. And these dried flowers. I don't know if you can see all of them. This one here is on a stem. I don't know if you can see that stem. There should be a green leaf in there too, but I don't see it. Where is that green leaf? What in the world? Oh, it's right there. It's kind of pale. But it's beautiful. I always think these turn out so nice. Just a centerpiece, a conversation piece, just some home decor. And all I'll have to do is sand this bottom so that it's smooth. Nice. Tell me what you think. Oh, and I used some tiny, I don't know if you can see those. Let me put it up in there. Tiny gold and yellow, kind of like seed beads, but they're the longer beads. I forgot about that. Yes. Cute, cute. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, right there. Thank you so much. Thumbs up. Peace out. Love ya. See you next time. Wait a minute.